Everyone, Susie here with a process video, scrapbooking process. I'm scrapbooking today this cute wintry picture of my grandkids, Capri and Cascade. And I'm starting off with a cut file that I got in the Silhouette Design Store. It's called Winter Bird on Limb. And it's actually quite a bit of paper piecing, and here you see me, I'm just assembling them in the background there. Sorry about that little circle halo light. I got a new light and I'm still trying to figure it out, and I hope I don't go out of frame too much because I think this is my first try with this new setup that I have. And I'm just using my little Nouveau glue pen to attach these little tiny pieces together, or adhere them together. And this is some old, I don't know if any of you remember Love Elsie, but it's some old embossed paper, and it's got, it's turquoise with embossed snowflakes on it. So it was perfect for this layout. And I did gut it because I just like the paper so much, and I know they don't make it anymore. And then for all the embellishments that I'm adding in and around the page, those are from a 2017 Hip Kit December Club. And then the white, or the red and white script bookplate paper, I'm not sure, that might be old Making Memories paper. But all the little tags and banners are from the Hip Kit Club. I think it was in October they had a really big sale. And I actually got 2 of these kits, so. I'm just using my T-square ruler to make sure that the photo and everything is straight. Mostly just pushing things around the paper. You'll see where they finally end up. Some don't stay where I initially put them, and some find new homes, and some don't make it to the layout. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that title, Making Spirits Bright, doesn't end up making it. I felt like I had like 4 corners filled instead of 3, and it just felt too square to me, if that makes sense. Yeah, and I think I left it in. I think that the way I removed the title, I had to stick in another piece of white paper to cover up as I tore the paper. There I was adding some twine to those tags. adding some foam dots to the back of some of the ornaments, just to give it a little bit of added dimension. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that glare on the photo there. I'll have to work on that. So it looks like I'm trying to see if my stills are coming up. Because it does look like I did not include where I covered up that right-hand corner with a solid piece of paper. But what I did add also that's not on film are some Heidi Swap turquoise color shine. And then the rest of the embellishments, like I said, are from the Hip Kit December Club from 2017. Trying to think if there's anything else that I added. I don't think there is. Anyway, the still shots are coming up. Thank you so much for watching. Oh, there is a little stamped image on the right-hand side there, or left-hand side. And I will see you next time. Bye-bye.